how does the process start? Ġifieri, okay, mela intu lejn poġġiet bil-qeda u fl-aħħar għattu ħanamluha. X'jiġri mbagħad?
Inċemplu l-FSWS, il-numru huwa 1778, u tgħidilhom li inti interessata biex tibda l-proċess tal-fostering. U ma jintaqgħu miegħek, ġifieri jkollok l-initial meeting fej jisaqsuk għalfej u fej smajt dwar il-fostering u xtaf dwar il-fostering u jekk qatt int esperjenzajta. Mbagħad jevalwawk u jgħidulek speċi okej, aħna naċċettaw li inti tibda l-proċess u tibda l-proċess.
L-evalwazzjoni x'tinkludi?
This is just an initial conversation, just basically to see if your intentions are pure. Jow, jekk inti ħassaqsihom kemm ħanagħmel allura minn kull tifel u tifla, and then they'll be like, thanks, there's the door.
Stand, it's really...
Eżatt.
Erba saqqiet, bajtu, worth it, yeah.
Unfortunately.
Yes.
But once you're approved, you get onto a waiting list, and when they have a nice round number, they start the course.
Okay. U il-kors, xiri għedi? Kemmu twil, kemmu impenjattiv, x'tallim fil-kors?
Naħseb li il-imbidel xiftit. Aħna meta morna kena 6 ġimgħat of what is fostering, so 3 hours a week for 6 weeks from 5 till 8. We had like presentations, case studies, discussions. We had their pediatricians speak to us. We had their psychologists speak to us, and we had a foster child come and speak to us and foster parents. So we garnered a lot of...
A foster child?
Yes, a child who was fostered, old now, who would say how grateful they are for the placement that they were given. So always...
By any chance, that tifel kien?
No.
Okay.
Wasn't our case. And then after that, we had a 6-week course called Positive Parenting, which was again how to teach through role plays, how to calm tantrums, how to negotiate, if you dare use that word with a child, how to reach a calm and peaceful state, knowing the trauma and baggage that they have. And then after that, you have individual interviews with an assigned social worker where they come home and they meet with you on a more personal level, where they try to divulge information about how you might react or what your intentions and goals are, to get a deeper perspective into why you want to do this journey. And then you submit what I said, all the documents, and then it's just a waiting game, basically. You get approved by the board. Once you're approved, you receive a phone call, to which you can say yes or no.
Mela, tlaqna?